Good morning, students. This is the assessment of listening for class 7th for session 2021-22. In this listening test, you will hear two tasks. Based on the listening of two tasks, complete your worksheet. Now, you will hear the recording for task 1. Listen to the recording carefully and then complete the questions that are given in your worksheet. You will hear a recording now. If you think of the jobs robots could never do, you would probably put doctors and teachers at the top of the list. It's easy to imagine robot cleaners and factory workers, but some jobs need human connection and creativity. But are we underestimating what robots can do? In some cases, they already perform better than doctors at diagnosing illness. Also, some patients might feel more comfortable sharing personal information with a machine than a person. Could there be a place for robots in education after all? British education expert Anthony Seldon thinks so. And he even has a date for the robot takeover of the classroom, 2027. He predicts robots will do the main job of transferring information, and teachers will be like assistants. Intelligent robots will read students' faces, movements, and maybe even brain signals. Then they will adapt the information to each student. It's not a popular opinion, and it's unlikely robots will ever have empathy and the ability to really connect with humans like another human can. One thing is certain though, a robot teacher is better than no teacher at all. In some parts of the world, there aren't enough teachers, and 9 to 16% of children under the age of 14 don't go to school. That problem could be partly solved by robots because they can teach anywhere and won't get stressed or tired or move somewhere for an easier, higher paid job. Those negative aspects of teaching are something everyone agrees on. Teachers all over the world are leaving because it is a difficult job and they feel overworked. Perhaps the question is not will robots replace teachers, but how can robots help teachers? Office workers can use software to do things like organize and answer emails, arrange meetings, and update calendars. Teachers waste a lot of time doing non teaching work, including more than 11 hours a week marking homework. If robots could cut the time teachers spend marking homework and writing reports, teachers would have more time and energy for the parts of the job humans do best. Question 1 is based on task 1. Task 2. Now you will hear the recording for task 2. Listen to the recording carefully and then complete the questions that are given in your worksheet. You will hear a recording now. Aeroplanes have the reputation of being dangerous, and even hardened travelers are intimidated by them. They also have the grave disadvantage of being the most expensive form of transport. But nothing can match them for speed and comfort. Traveling at a height of 30,000 feet, far above the clouds, and at over 500 miles an hour is an exhilarating experience. You do not have to devise ways of taking your mind off the journey, for an aeroplane gets you to your destination rapidly. For a few hours, you settle back in a deep armchair to enjoy the flight. The real escapist can watch a free film show and sip a hot or cold drink on some services. But even when such refreshments are not available, there is plenty to keep you occupied. An airplane offers you an unusual, breathtaking view of the world. You soar effortlessly over high mountains and deep valleys. You really see the shape of the land. If the landscape is hidden from view, you can enjoy the extraordinary sight of unbroken clouds. Plains that stretch out for miles before your while the sun shines brilliantly in a clear sky. The journey is so smooth that there is nothing to prevent you from reading or sleeping. However, you decide to spend your time, one thing is certain. You will arrive at your destination fresh and uncrumpled. You will not have to spend the next few days recovering from a long and arduous journey. Now, you may go back to the worksheet and complete the questions there. You may hear the recording again if you wish. Thank you.